You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!
Let's get one thing straight. I'm a Mac buster. My last let's get one thing. I'm a Mac buster. My last episode was lackluster. Smack. I thought we been cool. You got me making movies with a rap level. This a league of gunners using numbers, but yeah. I thought we been cool. You got me making movies with rap lovers. This a league of gunners using numbers, talking about budget cuts. Man, these talking about budget cuts. Y'all a team of stunners. Yeah, we know about saving money because we used to hire fiends for runners. And y'all the fiends. And y'all the fiends on some young shit. Have to be on the block, that dumb shit. Junkies for smack. Take to do a whole day of work for one hit. We was supposed to battle DG Roman franchise, but they sent some other clowns. So I had to get me another pound. I feel like Mayweather. I thought me and Gotti was gonna get another round. Yeah.
15 minutes of fame!
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!